Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Land Rover is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.